Children of Standard 5, we have been discussing about skeletal and muscular system, and we discussed various aspects of skeletal system. We discussed about the human skeleton that is divided into skull, limbs, girdles, backbone, rib cage, and we studied separately about their structure and function. We also studied about the different kinds of joints in our body and their types. We studied in our previous classes, and now the muscular system, that is our today's topic. What is muscles? Children, I talked earlier in my earlier classes during the teaching of this topic that bones and muscles work together. And without muscles, bones, the movement of bones is not possible. So you can say bones are always covered with the tissue that is called muscles. So what are the muscles? Are a tissue. A muscle is a special kind of tissue that can expand and contract like an elastic band. There are over 600 muscles spread all over our body. They are attached to the bones by tissues called tendons. So look at the term, children, that is tendon. What is tendon? Tendon is a kind of muscle that attached bones to the muscles. So they are attached to the bones by tissues called tendons. So tendons is a kind of muscles that joins bones with muscles. So the muscles contract and relax and thus produce movement in the body. And mainly, if we divide the muscles into two groups, the major group of muscles are voluntary and involuntary. So children, let us have an example. When the muscles contract or relax, they move the bones. And when a muscle contracts, the bones are pulled close to each other. For example, when we bend our knee, the leg muscles contract and thus become shorter. And when we extend our leg, the muscle relax and become longer. So muscles help us to move, maintain our posture, and do work with our hands. So about half of our body weight is made up of muscles. So again, I want to describe and define what is tendon and what is ligament. Tendon joins bones to muscle. Ligament joins bone to bone. So the types of muscles, there are two types of muscles, voluntary and involuntary. So let us have a look on voluntary muscles, that is striated or striped. Children, we always see the leopard striped skin. So like that, there are the muscles whose movement can be controlled. Can be controlled means that are under our control. For example, the skeletal muscle present in arms, hands, legs and feet, we see that their movement is under our will. These muscles have stripes on them, just like the stripes on the body of a zebra. Therefore, they are called striped or striated muscles. These muscles are under our control. We can move them according to our will. They are known as voluntary muscles. And where are they present? They are present in our arms, hands, legs, and feet. Now, children, involuntary muscles, they are unlike the voluntary muscles, they are not under our control. And they are non-striated and unstriped, unlike the voluntary muscles. So what these muscles do in our body? These muscles work on their own and we have no control over their movement. So first, let us have an example of smooth muscles. They do not have any stripes and these muscles of our body are not under our control. They are called involuntary muscles. For example, we cannot control the muscles that are responsible for the heartbeat, movement of food or breathing. They work on their own and are controlled by the brain and spinal cord. So children, what is happening inside our food pipe? How our heart beats, that is not under our control. That is under the control of spinal cord and brain. That you can say that is controlled by our nervous system. And third, the second you can say involuntary muscles are cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles is the muscles of heart. And these muscles are not attached to any bone. And the muscles of heart keeps working 24 hours a day throughout our lifetime. Cardiac muscles are very strong and hence they do not get tired. They pump the blood to different parts of body and these muscles are involuntary in nature. So the cardiac muscles are the muscles work all the time whether we are asleep or awake. And smooth muscles, during digestion, muscles contract and relax for the movement of food in the body. Smooth muscles are found in the stomach or intestine. So this is skeletal muscles under our control. These are cardiac muscles, muscles of heart, and these are smooth muscles, muscles of our digestive system is an example. So the bones and muscles together perform important functions of the body. So children, in this class, we studied about the muscular system of our body and we divided the muscles into two groups, mainly voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. And voluntary muscles are found in arms, hands, legs. They are under our control. They are striated and striped. And involuntary muscles are the second type of muscles. They can be cardiac. They can be smooth muscles. Cardiac muscles means muscles of heart. They work throughout our life. They never get tired and they work whenever we are asleep or awake. And smooth muscles that are also not under our control and that is found in stomach and intestine. And after that we discussed about the 600 muscles are present in entire human body and tendon that muscles are attached to the bones with the help of tendon, a kind of tissue, and bones are attached to the bones with the help of ligament. So the ligament and tendons are a kind of tissue attaching bones with muscle and attaching bones to bones.